Welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the fun we have planned for you. Now, let's get started on today's countdown, the top 10 reasons to visit the Philippines. Poppy, are you ready?
I'm always ready for a good countdown, Master.
Let's do this. Awesome. First up, the beaches in the Philippines are some of the most beautiful in the world. The water is crystal clear and the sand is as soft as baby powder. In fact, Boracay was named one of the top 10 beaches by Condé Nast Traveler in 2016.
I can already feel the sun on my skin and the sand between my toes. This is going to be a great vacation.
I'm glad you're excited about the beaches, Poppy. The Philippines has some of the best beaches in the world, and Boracay is definitely a must-see. The crystal clear water and white sand make it the perfect place to relax and unwind.
Yeah, but what about all the tourists? Won't it be crowded?
While Boracay can get busy at times, there are plenty of quieter beaches to explore as well. And the beauty of the Philippines is that there are so many islands to choose from, so you can always find a secluded spot to relax and escape the crowds.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm sold on the beaches.
Great. Next up, the food in the Philippines is delicious. It's a mix of Spanish, Chinese, and indigenous flavors. Have you tried adobo or sinigang? Adobo is a savory dish made with meat, vinegar, and soy sauce, and sinigang is a sour soup with different meats and vegetables.
Yummy, I love adobo. It's the ultimate hangover cure. And sinigang is the perfect comfort food on a rainy day.
I'm glad you like the food, Poppy. The Philippines is a rich and diverse culinary scene, with something for everyone to enjoy. And the best part is that it's often very affordable, so you can try all kinds of delicious dishes without breaking the bank.
Yeah, but what about the street food? Is it safe to eat?
Street food in the Philippines is generally very safe to eat and is often some of the best and most authentic food you can find. Just be sure to use common sense and follow the same precautions you would in any other country, such as avoiding food that has been sitting out for a long time or that doesn't look or smell fresh.
Got it. I'll make sure to try as much street food as I can.
Number 3, the culture in the Philippines is rich and diverse. With over 7,000 islands, the country has a unique blend of traditional and modern influences, including indigenous tribal practices and Spanish colonial heritage.
Oh, sounds like a history lesson. I hope there are some cute girls in traditional costumes to liven things up.
While the culture in the Philippines is definitely interesting and worth learning about, Poppy, I wouldn't recommend going just for the cute girls in traditional costumes. The culture of the Philippines is so much more than that. It's a rich and complex blend of different influences, and it's worth taking the time to learn and appreciate it.
Okay.
Great. I'm glad you're willing to learn more about the culture of the Philippines. There are so many fascinating things to discover and experience. From the traditional dances and music to the indigenous tribal practices, the culture of the Philippines is truly unique. And of course, there are also the Spanish colonial influences, which can be seen in the architecture, language, and even the cuisine.
Wow, I had no idea there was so much to learn about the culture. I'm definitely looking forward to exploring more.
Number 4, the people in the Philippines are friendly and welcoming. Filipinos are known for their warm and hospitable nature, often referred to as Filipino hospitality. You'll feel right at home and make new friends in no time.
I can't wait to make some Filipino friends and learn all their embarrassing family secrets.
I'm sure you'll make plenty of friends, Poppy. The people of the Philippines are known for their friendly and welcoming nature, and it's not uncommon for travelers to make close connections and even lifelong friendships while visiting the country. And of course, there's always the chance to learn some embarrassing family secrets along the way.
That's what I'm talking about. I can't wait to meet some new people.
Number 5, the natural beauty in the Philippines is breathtaking. There are stunning natural wonders like the rice terraces of Banaway and the underground river of Palawan. The rice terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see for any visitor to the Philippines.
Okay, now you're really selling me on this. I love nature, as long as there are no creepy crawlies or snakes involved.
I'm glad to hear that you're interested in exploring the natural beauty of the Philippines, Poppy. The country has some truly stunning landscapes and natural wonders, from the rice terraces to the underground river to the many beautiful beaches and islands. And don't worry about creepy crawlies or snakes, there are plenty of other things to see and do.
Awesome, I can't wait to go hiking and see all the beautiful landscapes.
Number 6, the diving in the Philippines is top-notch. The waters are crystal clear and the marine life is diverse and abundant. The country is home to over 27,000 species of marine life, making it a top destination for scuba diving and snorkeling.
I'm not a huge fan of the ocean, but I'm sure there are plenty of cute fish to distract me from my fear.
While the ocean can be intimidating for some people, Poppy, the diving in the Philippines is truly world-class. The waters are crystal clear, and the marine life is diverse and abundant, making it a great destination for both beginner and experienced divers. And even if you're not a fan of diving, there are plenty of other ways to enjoy the ocean and see the marine life, such as snorkeling, or even just swimming in the crystal clear waters.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Maybe the cute fish will help me overcome my fear.
Number 7. The nightlife in the Philippines is vibrant and varied. There's something for everyone, from laid-back bars to high-energy pubs. And with a warm tropical climate, you can enjoy the nightlife outdoors as well.
I'm all about the nightlife. You can have the boring nature and marine life.
While the nature and marine life might not be everyone's cup of tea, Poppy, they are definitely worth exploring. The Philippines has some truly stunning landscapes and unique marine life, and it would be a shame to miss out on that. But of course, there's no reason you can't enjoy both the nightlife and the natural beauty of the country.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I'll make sure to experience both.
Number 8. The shopping in the Philippines is great. You can find traditional handicrafts and high-end fashion. The country is known for its handicrafts, such as baskets and woven textiles, as well as its designer clothing brands.
Yay, shopping. I hope they have good deals on designer clothes.
The shopping in the Philippines is definitely worth checking out, Poppy. From traditional handicrafts to high-end fashion, there's something for everyone. And with a favorable exchange rate, you might even find some good deals on designer clothes. Just be sure to haggle a bit, and you might be able to get an even better deal.
I'll make sure to bring my negotiating skills with me.
Number 9. The history of the Philippines is fascinating, with a complex and tumultuous past. The country has a rich history dating back to pre-colonial times, and was a Spanish colony for over 300 years before becoming an independent nation.
I'll pass on the history lessons, but I'll be sure to Instagram all the cool historical sites.
While it's true that the history of the Philippines can be dense and complex, Poppy, it's definitely worth exploring. From the pre-colonial times to the Spanish colonization to the country's journey to independence, there is so much to learn and discover. And of course, there are also some truly beautiful and interesting historical sites to visit and photograph. Just be sure to do some research, and you might find that the history of the Philippines is more fascinating than you initially thought.
Okay, I'll give it a chance. Maybe it won't be as boring as I thought.
Number 10. The Philippines is affordable compared to many other vacation destinations, with a wide range of accommodation and activities to suit all budgets. The country has a diverse range of accommodation options, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hostels, and many activities are reasonably priced as well.
That's good to hear. I don't want to break the bank on vacation.
The Philippines is definitely an affordable destination, Poppy. From the accommodation to the activities, there are options to suit all budgets. And with a favorable exchange rate, you might find that your money goes even further than you anticipated. Just be sure to do some research and plan ahead, and you'll be able to have a great vacation without breaking the bank.
Affordable? Count me in. Let's book our tickets now.
There you have it, the top 10 reasons to visit the Philippines. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Poppy, do you have anything to add before we wrap up?
Yes, I just wanted to say that if you don't subscribe to our channel, you'll be missing out on all the fun and interesting conversations we have. So hit that subscribe button and join the party. And leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Philippines or any other vacation destinations you recommend. And, as always, thanks for tuning in.